For decades, the path to vehicle ownership has been choked by the friction of legacy DMV bureaucracies and paper-heavy processing. But that era of waiting and red tape is finally reaching its breaking point. We are dismantling the friction. We are migrating vehicle titles onto the XRP Ledger, replacing antiquated systems with the power of immutable blockchain. Replacing paper-heavy title transfers with immutable, sub-second settlement, real-time verification for a high-speed world. By minting unique NFTs for automotive ownership, every vehicle becomes a digital asset on the ledger. This isn't just a receipt, it's a cryptographic proof of ownership that cannot be altered or forged. This system effectively eliminates lien fraud, providing a level of security that legacy systems simply can't touch. Because the title is on-chain, it enables instant liquidity, unlocking value from the automotive market in seconds. This is proving that institutional-grade blockchain utility extends far beyond simple cross-border payments. We are seeing the expansion of utility into real-world asset management on a global scale. Imagine a future where buying a car is as simple and secure as sending a text. No waiting, no risk, no friction. Blockchain settlement is the foundation of this new era of trust and efficiency in the automotive sector. We are witnessing the total transformation of one of the world's largest markets through decentralized technology. Lien security is guaranteed. The ledger provides a transparent history that ensures the buyer and seller are always protected. As institutions adopt the ledger, the standard for asset transfer is being rewritten for everyone. The XRP Ledger is proving its versatility, handling complex asset classes with the same ease as a simple payment. The digital title revolution is here. It's faster, safer, and ready for the mainstream. True utility is about more than just numbers on a screen. It's about solving real-world problems with immutable code. That's the future of XRPL utility. Follow and subscribe on all platforms for more deep dives and market updates. Subscribe now for full podcast and crypto product discounts. Stay ahead of the market.